Every roll of toilet paper begins its journey in sustainably managed forests, only after reaching full maturity. Freshly harvested logs are carefully loaded. They are put onto specialized timber trucks and transported to the next stage of the toilet paper. At the pulp mill, every truckload of timber is weighed. The logs then pass through giant to clean high-quality wood, ready to be converted into pulp. The clean logs now enter the industrial wood chipper. Powerful rotating blades cut them into uniformly sized wood chips. Chip size is essential. It allows chemicals. Before pulping begins, every wood chip is carefully screened and inspected. Oversized pieces are sent back for rechipping, while dust and impurities are removed. Inside the giant pressure digesters, carefully controlled heat, steam, and cooking chemicals break down the natural lignin holding is dissolved, releasing strong cellulose fibers. After cooking, the pulp is thoroughly washed to remove dissolved lignin and any remaining cooking chemicals. The separated black liquor is collected for energy production. To produce soft white toilet paper, the washed cellulose pulp passes through a carefully controlled bleaching process. Advanced environmentally responsible chemicals. Before becoming tissue paper, the bleached pulp is carefully refined. This process gently separates absorbency and strength. Different pulp grades are then blended with precision. The refined pulp is diluted with purified water and thoroughly mixed to create a perfectly uniform slurry. After passing through advanced cleaning and screening systems that remove even the cleaned pulp slurry now enters the head box, where it is spread evenly across a high-speed forming wire. Millions of first continuous tissue sheet, the foundation of every toilet paper roll. Immediately after the tissue sheet is formed, powerful vacuum systems remove large amounts of water. This gentle dewatering process prepares the sheet for pressing and drying. The tissue sheet now enters the press section, where massive precision rollers gently squeeze out additional water. Supported by special felt blankets, the sheet becomes stronger and more stable. The pressed tissue sheet is now dried on a giant steam-heated Yankee cylinder. High temperatures and powerful hot air remove. This critical stage prepares it for creeping.
The dried tissue is carefully removed from the Yankee dryer by a precision creeping blade. This single operation creates millions of microscopic folds across.
After creeping, the tissue is wound into jumbo rolls. Each roll contains thousands of meters of paper. Control systems maintain perfect tension. This ensures it is ready for converting. Before converting begins, every jumbo tissue roll undergoes a comprehensive quality inspection. Advanced laser scanners, AI vision systems, the jumbo rolls ensure each roll meets. After passing quality inspection, the jumbo tissue roll is transported to the converting line. Automated loading systems secure the massive roll. Precision controls unwind the tissue smoothly. To improve comfort and performance, the tissue passes through precision embossing rollers that create millions of tiny patterns across its surface. These embossed pockets. For premium toilet paper, two embossed tissue sheets are precisely aligned. They are bonded together to create a strong, exceptionally soft two-ply product. Advanced automation ensures. Next, precision perforation rollers create evenly spaced tear lines across the tissue. Each perforation needing the strength needed for high-speed manufacturing and everyday use. The perforated tissue is now wound onto sturdy cardboard cores. Advanced automation controls the tension, sheet count, and diameter. This ensures every roll is perfectly formed before cutting.
The long tissue logs are now cut into individual rolls. Every cut is perfectly measured to produce identical rolls with smooth edges.
Every toilet paper roll undergoes a final automated quality inspection. Advanced AI cameras, laser scanners, and sensors examine each roll. They check size, softness, and winding quality.
Each approved toilet paper roll is individually wrapped using high-speed automated packaging machines. Precision sealing technology protects the tissue from moisture and contamination.
Individual toilet paper rolls are automatically grouped into retail multi-packs and wrapped with recyclable shrink film. Heat and controlled airflow tightly aiding durable packaging that protects the product. Retail bundles are automatically packed into strong corrugated cartons for safe transportation and carefully inspected to ensure complete traceability before entering the distribution process. After packaging, the cartons are automatically stacked onto shipping pallets by intelligent robotic systems. Each pallet is carefully wrapped with stretch film to keep every cart. After palletizing, every shipment enters a fully automated warehouse. Advanced logistics systems scan, track, and store each pallet, while autonomous forklifts with Remartic Mart for accuracy. The manufacturing journey is now complete. After final verification, every pallet is loaded onto trucks and transported through an advanced global logistics network. From the factory, Every roll completes a journey. From sustainable forests, modern automation ensures a hygienic product that millions depend on every single day. After an incredible journey, from sustainably harvested wood to advanced manufacturing and global distribution, the finished homes, its carefully engineered softness,